Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how you can see if someone has blocked your Instagram account. So let's dive in. Now this is a common thing that happens, and what this means is that when someone blocks your account, you cannot see their posts, you cannot view their comments or their likes or the engagement with other people, and you cannot even message them. So today I am going to show you steps that you can see whether they have blocked you or not, and stick to the end of the video to see all the steps in which you have been blocked to find out if you have been blocked in your account. So the first thing that happens is you can go ahead to your messages, and you do that by clicking on the top right corner of your screen, and you can click any message. If you think the person has blocked you, you go ahead, you want to click view profile. You go ahead and click view profile, and what happens is if someone has blocked you, you cannot see their posts or their followers or their following or even their bio. And here you can see that I can see their posts. I can see this person's posts, and it means that he has not blocked me. So if you do not see the posts, it means that they have blocked you. Now the second method is through the comments in a post. If you see that someone has made a comment but you cannot see what the exact comment is, it means that they have blocked you. And when that happens, it's usually hard to tell whether they made a typing error or if they actually blocked your account. So what you have to do is confirm by going to view the profile, and if you see that you cannot see the posts, it means that you have actually been blocked. And the next way to see if you have been blocked is by going ahead to search, and you want to search for a particular person's handle that you think has blocked you. For example, Informative Media, I can see their profile right here. This is their account. If you think they have blocked you, then their account cannot be seen when you search their handle. And to confirm this is you can go ahead to your Chrome browser, and you want to go ahead and search for Instagram. So you type instagram.com /informative media, and you'll see that the channel, the account is here. But if you go back to your main Instagram app and your account and you see that they do not appear in your search, it means that you have been blocked. And that is it, guys. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe.